Are you thinking about shopping on Wovencia.com? Before you click that Buy Now button, let me break down what you need to know about this site in 2026. Wovencia is popping up everywhere with crazy deals and must-have products, but here's the truth. Most shoppers say it's just too risky. First, the biggest complaint. What you see is not what you get. People are receiving flat, low-quality prints instead of textured or quilted pieces. Nothing like those fancy pictures on their site. And if you try to get your money back, good luck. Wovencia claims fast and easy returns, but in reality, they'll offer you a tiny refund, like $40 for something you paid $149 for, and make you pay return shipping to China. Sometimes that's more expensive than the item itself. Customer service? Basically non-existent. Shoppers say their complaints get ignored or they're flat-out blocked. Oh, and those massive discounts? They're classic bait. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. So, how do you spot a legit store in 2026? Here's my quick safety guide. Always check if the site uses HTTPS and shows the little padlock in your browser. Look for real contact info, a street address, a phone number, and an email that actually matches the website. See if they have a real following on social media, not just ads. Check how old their website is, because scam sites love brand new domains. And most importantly, read independent reviews from places like Trustpilot or Reddit, not just glowing ones on their own page. Bottom line, Wovencia.com is waving a lot of red flags. If you value your money and your sanity, shop smart, stay alert, and avoid sites that sound too good to be true.